So you want to transfer your crypto from Webull to Coinbase. Well, it's a pretty simple process and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that in this video right here, right now. Now, there are a number of reasons why an investor might want to move from Webull to Coinbase, but the most significant of which is probably because Webull is just not a platform that is built for cryptocurrency investing. There's only a very limited number of cryptos available on the platform, and there's not really many features or functionality in terms of your cryptocurrency on Webull. So it makes a lot of sense why someone might want to transition to a platform like Coinbase that's a lot more built for cryptocurrency investing. So let's dive right into my phone and I'll show you exactly how to go through this process step by step. All right, so here we are within my Webull app and you can see my current portfolio as it stands today. I don't currently have any cryptocurrency in my Webull account just because it's not where I choose to invest in crypto, but I'll still be able to show you the process step by step as we go. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to each individual cryptocurrency that you own. So let's say that, for example, I own some Bitcoin in my Webull account that I wanted to transition over to Coinbase. What I would do is I would go search for Bitcoin. As you can see, it's right here in the search, BTC/USD. You can see the current price of Bitcoin and the chart as well. From here, you're going to press trade. You're going to press sell. You can make either a market or a limit order. And then you're going to sell all of the Bitcoin that you have in your Webull account. Now, this is because Webull does not currently allow you to do a direct transfer out of Webull with your cryptocurrency. So what you're gonna have to do is sell it and then move the cash into Coinbase, which you then use to repurchase that cryptocurrency. Now, this isn't the most advantageous way to transfer your crypto, just because there are likely going to be tax consequences associated with this move. And if you don't want to realize the gains on your cryptocurrency, it might not be the best way to go. But unfortunately, that's just the way that it has to be with Webull right now, because like I said, they're not a platform that specializes in crypto, so they don't have a lot of that functionality that a dedicated crypto platform will have. All that to say, if you're going to move off of Webull, it might make sense to do it sooner rather than later, but that is totally up to you. So once you go through and sell all of your crypto, you're going to have cash in your Webull account. You're going to need to move that cash back into your bank account and then connect that bank account to Coinbase so that you can then transact on Coinbase. So how we're going to do that is come back to your main screen here, press detail in the top right corner, scroll down to withdraw. You'll see your cash available in your settled cash. Once that has settled, you'll press withdraw, and then you'll withdraw all of that cash to your bank account. From here, the next step is to head into Coinbase. And if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, you can use the link in the description below to score yourself some free crypto in the process. But you'll head into Coinbase, and then from here, you're going to have to link your bank account with your Coinbase account. In order to do that, you'll click on this hamburger menu up in the top left corner. You'll click on Profile and Settings. And then under Payment Method, you'll press Add a Payment Method. And then you'll add your bank account, the same bank account that you have linked up with Webull. This will be done through Plaid, and you can just go through this process step by step to link up your bank account. Once that's done, you'll see it show up in your payment methods section. As you can see, I've got a US bank account linked up here. And what you can then do is then come over here, go to buy, and then buy whatever cryptocurrencies you had within Webull. You'll just buy those back. So say we had some Bitcoin, we want to buy that back. We'll just buy $100 worth of Bitcoin from our US bank account, one-time purchase. We'll just press preview buy, and then we'll be able to see that transaction and rebuy our Bitcoin from Webull over to Coinbase. Now, once it's in Coinbase, you can do a whole host of things so that you can earn interest on it. You can send it to other places. You can do whatever you want with that cryptocurrency. It is now in your control as opposed to being held by Webull. So that's the process. Unfortunately, like I said, you can't transfer directly from one to the other just because Webull does not currently allow that. But once your crypto's in Coinbase, you're going to have a lot more freedom and flexibility to do with it what you would like. Now, as mentioned before, we also have a link in the description below for Coinbase that will allow you to score some free cryptocurrency just for signing up for the platform. And if you want a full written step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer from Webull to Coinbase, we have that over on our website, investingsimple.com. The easiest way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for transfer from Webull to Coinbase, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.